Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be making one of my all-time favorite desserts that my grandmother used to make on a regular basis. There's no telling how much of this has been made in this very kitchen. I'm going to be making Scotcheroos. I have all my ingredients laid out and I will put a screenshot of the recipe in this spot here now. Alright, let's get started. In a large bowl, I need 1 cup of corn syrup. But I want to make a half recipe, so we're going to do half cup. And there's a half cup. And that prevents this stuff prevents it from sticking. Next I need a half cup of sugar. Half cup of sugar. And then I need a half cup of peanut butter. Any brand will do. I would imagine if you like crunchy peanut butter, that would be fine as well. And set that aside. Don't want to add it right now because if you do and cook it all together, when it gets cooled off, it's going to be hard as a rock. It's going to be like a slab of concrete. You won't be able to eat it. Don't ask me how I know. Now this mixture is going to go in the microwave. We'll start out at 3 minutes, just on high. Just let it rip. And while I've got that chooching, I'm going to add 3 cups of crispy rice or Rice Krispies, whatever you got. And I think I'll give it a quick stir. Just stir this mixture up. And back in the microwave we go. All this sugar needs to be dissolved. And I'll give it that last 22 seconds. And microwave times will depend on the microwave wattage you're using. Now it's time to add the peanut butter. And again, with that spray in there, it pops right out. Now this part you got to work pretty quickly. Get the peanut butter incorporated. out like that. And now, get my giant spoon out. Go to dump the Krispies in and coat them with the mixture. Peanut butter, sugar, and corn syrup mixture. And that's just about how it should be. Do a little scrape. And then I sprayed this here in the pan. Now I'm going to put the Rice Krispie mixture in there. And press it into place. Not too tight. Again, we don't want bricks. And of course, I get to sample what's on the spoon. Oh no. That's good. I'm going to set that aside for a minute. I need 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Halving the recipe precisely would be 7.5 ounces, but a little more doesn't hurt anything. 1/2 cup of butterscotch chips. Those both need to go in a microwave safe bowl. Come back over to the microwave. Go about 2 minutes on high. Go ahead and pull these and check them. And they're starting to melt. Let's see how they're doing. That might do it. I will just continue mixing these together until they're well combined. Clean off the spoon a little bit, but of course, got a sample. Okay, next, this is the icing for the treats. And I got to get as much as possible. I'll come back when I get that all out of the bowl as much as I can. Okay, that'll do. And then I'll just spread it over. And that should be adequate. And now that has to cool, and then they can be served. I'll show what they look like when the mixture cools down. And thank you for watching my Scotcheroo recipe video.